going to be a girl.
I say boy. I wore blue for the boy.
I kind of hope it's a girl.
Okay.
Girl.
It's helping.
No guess. Really no guess.
No guess. It's helping.
It's a girl, obviously. They're trying to
Hey, I'm gonna have another baby granddaughter.